guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Erin Olmstead. Today I'm just going to be doing a spring makeup tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. There's a lot of warm tones in here. There's pinks, there's a lot of shimmers, a lot of warm tones like I said. So this is a great palette I think for this look. Again, you can use any palette you want, but this is the look that I created with this palette. I want to apologize for not being here for the whole entire month of April. Basically, I've had a very busy April. I had volleyball going on and school and everything. There's just so much going on. This month's going to be very busy as well. We are finishing up school with like a month and like a couple weeks left, so I don't have much school left, but I do have a lot of work that I'll be doing. But I want to be able to bring you lots of videos this month, as many as I can. So anyway, if you want to see this makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I've zoomed you guys in a little bit, and I'm going to first go in with the third shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette to start off. And this is just going to go into the crease. I'm not taking it outside of the crease, just directly in the crease. This is called a transition shade because it's almost like your base for every other color that you're going to be putting on your lid. I'm going to deepen out the outer corner with a little bit of this shade and this shade here, these two. And this is going just directly on the outer corner. And then you can blend this in. And then when you have very little product on your brush, you just go into the inner corner. So I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, this outer shade. I'm going to be taking the same brush, going in with this shade right here. I'm going in with a very light hand, and as you can see, I'm not holding my brush like this. I'm giving myself some more room to like move around my brush, and that's how I'm directing it there. Just like so. Now we're going to even deepen up the outer corner even more. So I'm going to be going in with this shade here, just a dab of it, and this shade mostly. And I don't want a lot of product at all. Again, this is all the same brush. And this is still deepening out the outer corner. And then I'm going to bring it towards my lid, mostly, but almost directly on the outer corner. And then you can take a blending brush, any blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out just above the crease I want to blend. I just want seamless edges. And it's a very light hand, and I'm almost going a little bit more close, but not a lot, just so I get a lot of control. Now we're going to be going into with shimmers, so I'm going to take the Morphe M433 brush, this brush right here, and I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, the last shade in the first row, and this is going to be going all over the lid. If you're using this palette, you might be getting some fallout, and that's just because it's a very pigmented shade, so you will get some fallout of it. Next, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. 1, 2, 3 rows down, the first shade in that row. And this is going, just focus on the center of the eyelid. We want to brighten that up, almost creating a halo eye, but we still want that pink to show through. And then I'm going to be going in with the second shade in the palette, and that's really just going to add the pop of color. Those are the eye, this is the top of the lid. Next, I'm going to be going in with just a penciled brush, a regular penciled brush, and taking this shade right here. And I'm going to be taking this on the lower lash line. I'm going to brush away this fallout real quickly. Going back in with this penciled brush and going into the pink shade that we originally went to for all of our lid, and we're tapping this on. Just add some sparkle and to tie in with the lid. You absolutely don't have to do this step, and you can even use one of the shades in the Jaclyn Hill palette, probably this shade or this shade, but I'm going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty highlighters. I have Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal, so I'm going to be going in with these. I'm just going to take my highlighting brush that I normally use, and I'm just going to go in with Fire Crystal, I believe it is. Oh no, Lightning Dust. I'm going to be going in with Lightning Dust, and I'm just going to put this on the inner corner. You can use the Jaclyn Hill palette to do this, but I'm just going to be using my Fenty highlighter. So last, I just want to finish it off with some mascara. I'm taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara is really great for just lengthening your eyelashes and finishing the whole entire look. It's more of like, this is a spring look like I said, so I'm not trying to put on lashes and really go extra. The eye look is already very extra, so I'm just going to pop on some mascara. Not even doing a wing today, I am just doing mascara. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It is definitely spring inspired. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Having a great day wherever you are, and yeah.